One of the most effective tools you have to market your practice or business is video. Let me tell you why. First, 72% of businesses that use video say it is increasing their overall sales. Second, search engine rankings. Videos rank very high. So if you're trying to get on the first page of Google, Bing, Yahoo, any of the major search engines, if you have an optimized video on your website, the chances of coming up on that first page go up by 50 times. And third, studies show that 70% of people that come to a website and watch a video about a certain product will buy that product. Walker Creative are specialists when it comes to video marketing. Not only do we create world-class video productions, but we know how to take that video content and market across all platforms of the web to get thousands of your potential clients calling your phones and walking in your doors. We've shot in exotic locales such as Japan for a premier green tea and matcha powder manufacturer who supplies Starbucks. And we've created videos for a pediatric dentist in Salt Lake City to share their wonderful story and reach thousands of their potential clients. And we've been to New York for a family dentist out on the East Coast. A video we created for a tech-based accountancy firm in San Francisco this past year already has over 34,000 views. Then there is the financial advisor in Sacramento, who we created a YouTube channel for, which is educating the world on how to build wealth. A holistic medical doctor in Rockland, California is creating wellness for Northern Californians, and we're helping him to tell his story, with the result that he is on the top of all search results on Bing, Yahoo, Google, and new patients are calling and walking in. And then there is the ultra-exciting flying car manufacturer, Samson Sky. We've supported them from our beginning, traveling with them to Oregon and Wisconsin to share their story. The number of views is close to 100,000, and reservations for their upcoming vehicle is almost 1,000 already. The point is that video can work for you. So put video marketing to use in 2019 to grow your practice or your business.